originally designated 2003 L61, and nicknamed Santa by one Discovery team, Haumea is located in the Kuiper Belt, a donut-shaped region of icy bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune. The other known dwarf planets in the Kuiper Belt are Pluto, Eris, and Makemake. Dwarf planet series is located in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Haumea is roughly the same size as Pluto. It is one of the fastest rotating large objects in our solar system. The fast spin distorts Haumea's shape, making this dwarf planet look like a football. Two teams claim credit for discovering Haumea, citing evidence from observations made in 2003 and 2004. The International Astronomical Union's Gazetteer of Planetary Nomenclature lists the discovery location as Sierra Nevada Observatory in Spain on March 7, 2003, but no official discoverer is listed. Everything we know about Haumea is from observations with ground-based telescopes from around the world. Other key dates: 2005, Haumea's moons are discovered. 2008, Haumea is recognized as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union and named Haumea. Namesake: Haumea is named after the Hawaiian goddess of fertility. Potential for life: Haumea is extremely cold and doesn't appear to have conditions suitable for life. Size and distance: with a radius of about 385 miles, 620 kilometers, Haumea is about 1/14 the radius of Earth. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Haumea would be about as big as a sesame seed. From an average distance of 4,010,000,000 miles, 6,452,000,000 kilometers, Haumea is 43 astronomical units away from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit, abbreviated as O, is the distance from the Sun to Earth. From this distance, it takes sunlight 6 hours to travel from the Sun to Haumea. Orbit and rotation: Haumea takes 285 Earth years to make one trip around the Sun. As Haumea orbits the Sun, it completes one rotation every 4 hours, making it one of the fastest rotating large objects in our solar system. It is possible that a large object impacted Haumea billions of years ago and set off Haumea's spin and created its moons. Moons: Haumea has 2 known moons, Namaka is the inner moon, and Haumea is the outer moon. Both are named for the mythological daughters of Haumea. Haumea is the patron goddess of the island of Hawaii and of hula dancers. Namaka is a water spirit in Hawaiian mythology. Rings: Haumea is the first known Kuiper Belt object to have rings. Scientists announced the discovery in 2017 after watching the dwarf planet pass in front of a star. Formation: Dwarf planet Haumea is a member of a group of objects that orbit in a disk-like zone beyond the orbit of Neptune called the Kuiper Belt. This distant realm is populated with thousands of miniature icy worlds which formed early in the history of our solar system about 4.5 billion years ago. These icy, rocky bodies are called Kuiper Belt objects, trans-Neptunian objects, or Plutoids. Structure: astronomers believe Haumea is made of rock with a coating of ice. Surface: we know very little about Haumea's surface. Atmosphere: we know very little about Haumea's atmosphere. Atmosphere: we know very little about Haumea's atmosphere. Magnetosphere: scientists do not think Haumea has a magnetosphere.